Every dungeon master understands the feeling of getting to your weekly game, but this week, for whatever reason, you're just not feeling it. But you do the session anyways, and it's not your best, but hey, there's next time, right? Only to get to the next week, and that feeling is still there, or worse. Today we are talking about the dreaded dungeon master burnout and how to fix it. First of all, feeling the burnout does not mean that you are a terrible DM or that you should quit the game altogether. It simply means that you need a break, which is normal. Dungeon mastering can be taxing both mentally and emotionally, and it's important to remember that you are not the only one feeling what you are feeling. Now, with that out of the way, how do you fix it? First, it might help if you simply take a moment and look at the bigger picture of your world and story. Burnout usually happens because you're trying hard to think on the fly constantly to create the story and characters from nothing on the spot. It can be exhausting, feeling like you're always being tested, even if it's for a game. Try plotting out your story. Where are your characters right now? What are they trying to achieve at this exact moment, and where is that likely to take them? Having 1 or 2 or 3 bullet points with a path of where it will lead them is a great way to not feel overwhelmed. When you have a plan, it's much easier to relax and be in the moment. Second, you can try and change up your game. If you feel like you've been stuck in a rut, sometimes all you need is a change of pace. Try throwing them a curveball, something out of left field, like taking them to another plane of existence or adding in a new race or creature they've never seen before. This can be a great way to breathe new life into an old game and re-spark your interest. And lastly, you can simply try telling your group, hey, I'm not feeling it this week. Can someone run a one-shot? I guarantee you that your players might even be excited at the idea of getting a chance to run a game or switch it up for a week. Or you can tell them simply that something came up or that you just need a break. These are all great ways to communicate to your party that you need some time to shut down. A good party will understand. These are my tips for dealing with Dungeon Master burnout. Let me know in the comments below what helps you and what video you want to see next. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and I'll see you next time, adventurers.